Hey everyone, and welcome to my video. This is Alisonius Makes, and today I will be drawing and painting a My Neighbor Totoro themed storage box. To start this project, I chose a reference picture from the movie and sketched it out in Procreate on my iPad. Once I felt comfortable with my drawing, I got out some gesso and primered the front of my storage box. I haven't done any kind of acrylic painting in a long time, so I wasn't really sure what to do to prep the front of the box. I ended up just using one coat of a cheap acrylic gesso, and that seemed to be enough. Once the gesso was dry, I sketched in the character and started painting. I started out by painting a base layer for each of the colors. Then I moved on to shadows and other kinds of details, blending colors together. And then finally I used either a paint pen or a micron pen to add outlines to the character. All in all, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, especially considering I haven't sat down and done any kind of painting for myself with acrylics in a really long time. I pretty much had all of the supplies. The only thing that I had to buy was the acrylic gesso, which wasn't that expensive, and the storage bins themselves, which I found at Walmart in the clearance section for, I think they were like $2.30. So I'm really excited to have such a cool item out of such a cheap price. Since the storage bins were so cheap and they were on clearance, I bought a few more while I was there, and I can't really decide what I want to put on them. So if you have any ideas for any themes or characters that I could do on my other bins, please leave your ideas down in the comments below. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my Neighbor Totoro storage box. If you liked my video, make sure to hit the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.